Hi everybody from Ecuador. Today we're going to deal with a subject that I've talked to a lot of my friends about, and this is a big shout out to my buddy Bill Hazel. He has been waiting forever for me to show a video on making Aircrete. Now, some of you have heard me talk about Aircrete, some of you haven't. But Aircrete is basically a mixture of concrete, cement, and soap bubbles. Foam. And what it does is it creates a piece of cement that's very lightweight, it's very insulated, it'll float in water. I'll show that to you. It's very easy to use for a variety of things. So it's called Aircrete. Now one of the great things about Aircrete is you can shape it in molds. You can cut it with a saw. Its versatility is amazing. Now here in Ecuador, we're about 8,000 feet. So we had to work with this a little bit because what we have is a water solution with, believe it or not, soap solution in it, detergent, and some other things to create bubbles. Now when you mix your Aircrete, you don't want the bubbles to burst. And they were. And I couldn't figure out why. Because we didn't have that problem in the States. But then it dawned on me, I'm at 8,000 feet. Everything acts differently here. So we redid the formula with the soap, we redid it with a little bit of a few other chemicals in it. We got a good stable foam solution, which you will see in the next video, and now we have our perfect Aircrete. So one of the nice things about Aircrete is its durability and its ability to be worked with. Here's a piece of Aircrete. This is my prototype that I made. Yes, it looks like cement because it is cement. Now watch this. Just a little skill saw. If you did that with regular concrete, that blade wouldn't make it. And look at this. Watch when I put it in the water. Look at that. That is cement floating in water. This is Aircrete. You can drill it, you can cut it, put screws in it, you can glue it together. Very versatile. Now when I talked about the solution we use, as we come over here, everything I have is homemade. Here in the bucket we've got water, about 6 gallons of water. We put in a cup and a half of Axion 2. A simple detergent for dishes. That's all it is. In the States, if you use Dawn detergent, it's the same kind of thing. And I put a little bit of some other foaming agents in there just because of the altitude. And then after you do that, I have a water pump that takes the water, pushes it into the, you love my little tube I made, isn't that cute? It shoots the fluid in. My air compressor aerates it, and there's a lot of steel wall in here, and a combination of soap bubble and the air pressure creates a shaving cream foam that comes out the end. That is mixed with the cement, and you basically get a styrofoam type cement, Aircrete, as I just showed you. Now what we're doing is I've made molds like this that we are filling up with the Aircrete. And as you can see, it's a nice curved shape for our pizza oven. We're going to cast 8 of these, and then because they're so lightweight, I can just pick them up. We can put them around in a circle, glue them together, and I've got the dome to the pizza oven. So that's basically the whole spiel on Aircrete. It's very cool. It's used all over the world for a variety of things in building. As a matter of fact, our patio upstairs we're going to do with Aircrete because it's so lightweight and durable, it won't put the huge load on the roof. So the next video that Jeannie and I do, you're going to see her helping me, and we're going to cast this mold with Aircrete. See you in a bit.